Hi, and welcome back to another weekly family dinner video. It is Monday, and for dinner tonight we are having skinny white chicken enchiladas. So in my bowl I already have about 3 chicken breasts chopped up. We're going to do a few different things from the recipe. The recipe calls for shredded chicken, but I did not want to shred it, so I just chopped it. And to this, I am going to add some salsa. I just have the Kirkland organic salsa. It says a half a cup, but I'm going to do about another quarter of a cup since we have more chicken in there. I'm going to mix it up. And to this mixture you are supposed to add cumin and chili powder, but I'm not going to do that because we've already marinated this chicken. We had some of it for dinner last night, and this is just the leftovers. So it's already marinated in the mesquite, so I'm not going to add the cumin or the chili powder. So I have some flour tortillas that I'm going to roll the chicken mixture up in. Here are all of my enchiladas rolled up. I was able to get 9 out of the chicken mixture. Now it is time to make our white sauce to go over the top. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons of butter melting in my pan, or my pot. I'm going to sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to cook this for a minute. I'm going to add in the chicken broth. The recipe says to stir until mixture starts to thicken, about 6 minutes. So I've been stirring my sauce for 6 minutes. It's a little thicker. I'm going to add in 8 ounces of sour cream. A can of diced chilies. Mexican style cheese. I'm just going to eyeball it. We're going to stir this up until all the sour cream and cheese is melted. Okay, back to our enchiladas. We are going to take the white sauce and we are going to pour them over the enchiladas. Going to spread around the sauce so that it is coating all of the enchiladas. course, we have to add cheese on the top. I'm going to go in a 375-degree oven, and it's going to bake for 25 minutes. Okay, I just pulled our enchiladas out of the oven. They are It is Wednesday night, and for dinner tonight we are having oven-baked chicken parmesan. Last night we had our leftover chicken enchiladas, so let's get started. So I have my eggs in this bowl. I'm using 2 because they were kind of small, so I went ahead and used 2. In this bowl I have my breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, oregano, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm just going to give that a mix. I'm just going to scramble up my eggs, stir up my eggs. Anyway, I'm going to give them a stir. Okay, I'm going to dip my chicken in the egg mixture. And then in the breadcrumbs. Here are my chicken breasts all coated up. I don't remember if I said, but I filleted them. It is Thursday night, and for dinner tonight we are having super easy taco salads. I have a pound of ground turkey meat that I just browned up. Didn't have that much grease in it, but I did go ahead and drain it. I'm going to add in a packet of taco seasoning. Along with some water. Going to mix this up and let it simmer. I'm going to add a can of black beans to our meat mixture. And we're going to let this simmer a little longer so it can warm the beans up. Our meat is all done cooking. It is time to make our taco salads. We like to use the Doritos Cool Ranch. And there is our taco salad.